Hello mga Kieran! For this vlog, I will be unboxing and reviewing a Funko Pop of one of my favorite action hero from a movie series, Rick O'Connell from the Mummy movie franchise. Rick O'Connell is played by Fraser, as you can see here at the side, his picture here. Now he is on a TV series. I don't know which TV station, but it's the DC's Doom Patrol, and he is starring as Robot Man. Let's take him out of the protector. So here's the box of this Funko Pop. You can see the logo of the movie here, the Mummy. Here's the side, the back. Well, I don't really care about the other pops in this line. I just want Rick O'Connell, so I might not complete this line. Here's the other side, and here's the top of the box. Now let's unbox Rick O'Connell. Without further ado, let's start the review. Let's go. So the hairstyle, as you can see, is very 90s. It's like the hair of various members of boy bands such as Westlife, Backstreet Boys, and A1. The middle part hairstyle, as you can see, or here in the Philippines, it's called Kimpi. I think it's named after a celebrity here. It has nice details, as you can see here. The waves of his hair. The color brown is being illustrated nicely, just like in the movie. But there's just one small paint chip here. But that's okay, since no pop is perfect, as you can see here. Now for the attire, it's great. As you can see beside him, the source material, here's the picture of Fraser as Rick O'Connell. What I really like about this Funko Pop is the guns here on his holsters. It's a very great attention to detail, because as we all know, Rick is like a cowboy type of character. His guns are of a revolver type, just like this one, and here's the model of this revolver gun. Another great attention to detail is the wristband on his right wrist here. It's like to cover up his tattoo of Medjay. So for the details on that Medjay tattoo, here's what I researched on it. His long sleeves here, though it doesn't have any color separation, you can see the details are great based on the buttons on his long sleeves. And those curls on the fabric or creases on his long sleeves. The sword that he is wielding, well, I don't know the name of it. Maybe I'll just put the details of that sword here and also the picture of it in order for you to see it more clearly side by side. Though it doesn't have a name, but it's still very accurate to the movie with the color blue and gold on its handle and of course the gold blade. His pants, there are good creases. You can see that it's like worn out because yeah, he's an adventurer. And his boots is a typical boots of an explorer or adventurer. Rick stands at approximately, let's put the ruler here, going to 4 inches. So yeah, more on standard height of a Funko Pop. Let's do some close-up shots on the rotating display disc for us to see the details more clearly. Let's go! Well, I gotta say that this particular Funko Pop also defines the childhood of every 90s kids. The movie is timeless and I think I'm gonna watch the trilogy again on Netflix. Let's just hope that they will release a Funko Pop of the main villain of The Mummy Returns, the Scorpion King, where The Rock played the role of that particular villain. That is it for this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for everyday toys content. And please like my Facebook page, Max Collectibles, and also I will put the link on the description box below for you to be updated on my latest vlogs. Collect toys and good memories. Thank you.